Have you ever wondered how to use herbs to treat common health problems? Look no further. In this video, we'll explore the amazing benefits of herbs and how to use them to unlock nature's healing power. So let's get started. One of the easiest ways to incorporate herbs into your daily routine is by enjoying a comforting cup of herbal tea. Whether it's chamomile for relaxation, peppermint for digestion, or ginger for immunity, these remedies work wonders in improving your overall well-being. If you prefer a more hands-on approach, you can use herbs in their natural form. By grinding them into a fine powder or infusing them in oil, you can create homemade remedies like ointments or poultices. These topical treatments can soothe skin irritations, alleviate muscle pain, and even promote faster healing. One of the tastiest ways to benefit from herbs is by adding them to your favorite recipes. From basil to rosemary, herbs enhance the flavor of your meals while providing numerous health advantages. So go ahead, experiment with different combinations and unlock a whole new world of flavors and well-being. For those seeking convenient and concentrated doses of herbal goodness, supplements are the way to go. These capsules, powders, or tinctures offer a precise and reliable way to address specific health concerns, such as boosting energy, improving sleep, or supporting immune function. Remember, herbs have been used for centuries as nature's remedies, but it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating herbs into your daily routine, especially if you're on medication or have specific health conditions. So whether you're sipping herbal tea, making homemade remedies, adding herbs to your cooking, or taking supplements, you are unlocking the healing power of nature. Embrace these ancient treasures and experience the numerous benefits they bring to your health and well-being. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this comprehensive guide to using nature's remedies. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Take care and stay healthy.